यार, it's just ऐसे ही.
बोलो ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता. I saw all your photographs and everything on Instagram also. There's nothing photo or a post or a story जिसमें Shefali is not looking good. Literally, I'm telling
Thank you
you.
so much. Yeah, I'm really flattered. Thank you so much for your compliments.
So guys, here comes Shefali Sariwala live with us on सास बहू और बेटियां. Welcome and I would love to know आप हो कहाँ पे. पीछे बहुत ही awesome सा green नजर आ रहा है.
I am close to nature right now. मतलब.
Are you in Hampi?
No, I'm not in Hampi. All I can say is I'm very close to nature right now. There's a lot of greenery around me. There is no makeup. I'm like back to basics, close to Mother Earth, enjoying nature, khulli hawa.
I think this is something everybody has to do right now, right? Because हर जगह
this
पे
is
just
something. I'll tell you, this is something I have realized during this COVID time. Okay, life is slowed down, and it has kind of taught me the importance of going back to the basics. Like हम लोग हमारी
Yes.
जिंदगी में इतने busy हो गए थे, with the work and everything, that we had stopped appreciating small things in life. I mean, things like nature, which is free to enjoy to anybody, and
I have
I just
something
feel.
as a nature with me right now. Can you see? Can you
Sure.
see here?
Hi, what is that? Oh my god. I also have something, but my Simba is with me. But वो तो ऐसा है ना कि तो झपट पड़ेगा उसके ऊपर.
So, सबसे पहले तो आप ये बताओ how everything is going on. मतलब when you decided कि भाई मुंबई से तो निकलना पड़ेगा because माहौल यहाँ का बिगड़ता जा रहा है.
नहीं, माहौल की बात नहीं है. It's just for my own peace and sanity. I just feel that in the past 1 year, Bombay में घर पे रह के, in the concrete jungle. It's a concrete jungle. So it was something that was getting onto me. तो मैंने फिर decide किया, and this is something that I realized in the lockdown, that you need to get back to basics in life. And it's not always about luxury and hotels, and it's the Mother Earth that you need to enjoy. So now I've started going to places that are simpler, where there are not too many people, where there's greenery. You see there's greenery everywhere where I am. Or
wow,
I
can
meditate.
see the background. It is so beautiful.
Yeah, I do my yoga here. I take a cycle. मैं साइकिल पे चली जाती हूँ. यहाँ पे ज़्यादा लोग होते नहीं हैं. Or I'll show you if you want where I am. If I can turn the camera, it's beautiful.
Yes.
It's really okay. I'll show you.
Oh, nice.
So that's where I am right now. And bus, I'm reading my book. I am just enjoying sunsets every day.
But as like I saw your Insta post and all, you went to Sikkim also, if I'm not wrong, sometime back.
Yes, I went to Sikkim. I think 2 weeks back I was in Sikkim. Before that I went to the Maldives. So I've been trying and traveling because ना 1 साल, और मेरे लिए तो लॉकडाउन इतना लंबा हो गया था. लास्ट अक्टूबर से मैं बिग बॉस के घर में थी. So for 1.5 years I've just been in a lockdown and I'm going nuts. So now I've decided कि जरूरी नहीं है कि you have to go very far away from Bombay or anything. There is nature everywhere. Just select a nice quiet place, sit by the garden, listen to the birds chirping, coconut water पियो, अच्छी books पढ़ो, meditate करो, and physical health के साथ mental health भी इस वक्त बहुत important है for us to take care of.
No doubt.
So I think this really helps me. This really helps me.
और वैसे भी आपके लिए तो
whatever compliments that you've given me on my skin and everything, believe me, I have no makeup on my face right now. It's all Mother Nature. Mother Nature is healing me, and I'm feeling so good and so healthy in the nature.
And that's the best thing ना. और वैसे भी आपका इतना लंबा लॉकडाउन हो गया था बिग बॉस के घर में कि you actually needed a break. कहीं तो जाना पड़ता है.
मुझे ना ट्रैवल का पहले से शौक है. So I travel a lot. I have such a wanderlust in me. तो ये 1-1.5 साल जो हम घर पे बैठे हुए हैं ना, मुझे तो मतलब अंदर से मैं इतनी परेशान हो रही थी. I was just waiting to start traveling again. But then I realized that you don't have to travel to exotic locations. There are so many beautiful places
Correct.
around your house. All you need is a
No
couple
doubt.
of trees, you need a swing, you need good food, a lot of water, fruit juices, coconut water. And I'm a happy girl. मतलब कहीं भी ले जाओ.
Great, great. So coming to you, Shefali, because matlab, you are a happy person. Whenever we meet you, you're always a happy-go-lucky person. But there are people who just started judging while seeing, you know, आपको बिग बॉस में सबने देखा, उसके बाद भी लाइक उसके बाद से इनफैक्ट ज्यादा लोग इंटरेस्टेड हो गए शेफाली की लाइफ में, एंड देन ज्यादा लोग यू नो ट्रोल भी करने लग गए शेफाली को. सो हाउ यू रिएक्ट ऑन दैट कि इतना सारा क्यों रिएक्शन आ रहा है, और व्हाट्स रॉन्ग? इनफैक्ट रिसेंटली आपने फोटो शेयर किया था, उसके ऊपर लोगों ने ट्रोलिंग स्टार्ट कर दी थी.
Say hi to my friend first. Now, what is there to troll in if I'm living my life? Look at this guy.
Agree.
Look at this guy.
Hey, hi. What's his name? What's his name?
Jiju.
Jiju.
Simba. You want to see Simba?
Sure. Simba से तो मिले घर पर. Oh, Simba is also here. Hi, Simba.
So Simba
Yes.
and Jiju are currently best friends. If you can see.
अरे वाह, सही है. What else you need? You have your husband with you, you have your pets with you, you have Mother Nature around. Perfect.
So now tell me, what is there to troll in this? I'm just living such a simple life. I'm a happy girl. And but honestly, I'll tell you one thing. Trolling doesn't bother me at all. I mean, if it bothers you, you're just giving them more attention. They're doing it for attention, right? So you don't give it to them.
But don't you think sometimes because Shefali, when it comes to you, भी मतलब आपको हम लोग कई सालों से देख रहे हैं. ऐसा नहीं कह सकते कि आप कॉन्स्टेंटली टेलीविजन का फेस हो या कॉन्स्टेंटली आप टीवी पर आ रहे हो. आप जब भी आते हो आप धमाका करते हो, नो डाउट इन दैट. या वो धमाका ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाता है, whether it's a reality show, whether it's a Big Boss, or your music video, or a web show which you have done on All Balaji. So every time you come with a bang. So there is one question came. क्या आप खतरों के खिलाड़ी में भी नजर आने वाली है हमें? ऐसा कुछ प्लान है?
Really? आपने ऐसा सुना है?
I'm just asking you. It's just a question. You answer.
We'll have to just wait and watch. I don't know. See,
But if you come,
I've always believed in. I'm the way I entered this industry also. No? It happened by chance. I was studying to be an engineer, and I was offered the song, and the song became a very.
you did IT and all, na?
Yeah, I am an IT engineer. I finished my studies also after doing Kata Laga because that was very important for my father for me to finish my education. So I come from a very different kind of a background. So if you can also say that I'm not very greedy when it comes to work. I only do things that truly make me happy, things that I'm completely convinced with. Easily, you know, it's always I choose quality over quantity. So maybe people have seen me less on TV, but I've always tried to leave a mark whenever I have done something.
Correct.
So I mean that, and it's
So as you said, you completed your graduation after your Kata Laga song.
Yeah.
And this rage of Kata Laga song is still on. Like, you are now India's Kata Laga girl.
I don't know how this happened to me. I don't know how. I was just chilling outside my college when the directors saw me and they offered me the song right away. I don't know what they saw in me. They had auditioned 400, 500 girls before that.
Oh my God.
मैं तो अपने मतलब, you know how engineering students are ना, was certainly not looking my best. ये तो सब अब हुआ है. Back then I had oil in my hair, pimples on my face. I don't know what they saw in me. So, you know, this is how things have always happened to me. Everything that I've done till today. So I was very happy dancing. So I was only dancing. I was doing Nach Bali, I was doing stage shows, I was doing music videos. The day I decided कि अब मेरे लिए monotonous हो रहा है, and as an artist to grow, you know, it's very important to grow.
So keep changing also.
Naturally, the next step was acting. Just when I thought that I was ready to act, Old Balaji ka Baby Kamna was offered to me. So, you know, things just happened to me. Big Boss season 1 was offered to me. And over the years, every year Big Boss was offered to me. But for some reason, mujhe, you know, it's you know, it's scary. It is. I mean, if you've not done
Yeah,
Big
it is.
Boss,
It is.
it can be a very scary thing for you to do. But this time I was not scared. I said, "Chalo, let's do it." And doing it as a wild carder, there's added pressure. Yeah, you're going in the middle of the game. फैन फॉलोइंग एक बन जाती है लोगों की, आप बीच में जाके मोमेंटम हाई रहते हैं लोगों के, एंड you have to enter in with that
But
josh.
the way
You're
you
not
entered Shefali with that Josh, no doubt in that. It was marvelous. You entered, you
No,
just,
that's
वो
what
कहते हैं शाहरुख खान ने skip कर दी थी सबके.
I had never seen a single season of Big Boss till today. मैंने मेरे मन में
Seriously?
आया, never, not a single season. In fact, I've not even seen my own season. Genuinely. So
वो तो आपने अच्छा काम
I
किया.
just was like, चलो करते हैं. Let's see. This year I think I'm ready. And I went for it. But this is how I am, I'm little, it comes to me, I'm intuitive कि चलो ये करना है तो करते हैं. And then something that you want to do, the right opportunity also comes to me at the right time. So,
Great. So are you willing to do Khatron Ki Khiladi? Because if you are, then definitely opportunity coming to you.
I don't know. See, Khatron Ki Khiladi also is a very scary show. I may like my Simba and Jiju and nature and everything, but when it comes to cockroaches and lizards and jumping from a helicopter and come on, it's really scary. So, let's see. I don't know.
ठीक है, वो जब होगा तब हम उस बारे में बात करेंगे. We are not going to talk about that right now. But I would love to know about you, Shefali. How is Shefali? कैसी है Shefali? किस तरह की है Shefali? Like,
Shefali is a very simple girl.
started Kaata Laga. You did a Kaata Laga. The things got changed. The personality got changed. In fact, लोगों का नजरिया got changed.
Nothing has changed.
नहीं, लोगों का नजरिया तो बदला ही होगा यार.
I am still the same person. If you were somebody who knew me 20 years before, you would say Shefali has not changed at all. I mean, I am this. I am a simple girl, like simple things in life. I love my family. I can kill somebody for them. I'm very protective about everybody that I love. मैं यारों की यार हूँ, मतलब I go to any extent. एक बार दोस्ती की है तो निभानी है. And
Correct.
I love to travel. I'm now connecting with nature more than ever. And I'm meditating. I'm a fitness freak. I love to be fit. I like to be fit. I like to do yoga. I work out like a beast in the gym. I like to wear nice clothes. And that's me. That's just me.
Great. So can I meet Parag? Is Parag around you?
No,
Can we
Parag
meet
is
him?
not with me. He's not. He's actually shooting. So he's not with me,
Okay.
unfortunately. I'm here with my babies. And he's working hard in another side of the country.
So ये कभी-कभी पति पत्नी को थोड़ा सा ब्रेक भी लेना चाहिए. तुम काम करो, मैं चिल करके आती हूँ.
It's important because 1 साल से बहुत ज्यादा overdose हो गया था. मतलब we love each other very much, but in one house हमारा एक mini Big Boss चालू हो गया था. And I'm sure it happened to most of the people. So I think you should be together and then sometimes take a little break and then you come back, looking forward to meeting the
Correct.
person. You have to keep that spice in your relationship.
Right. And for that spice, you need the little gaps in between, right?
Yeah, you have to let your partner be. Like, I may not enjoy
Correct.
certain things that Parag likes, but I let him do it. ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे वो चीज करनी पसंद नहीं है तो आप नहीं कर सकते, या मैं नहीं आऊंगी तो आप नहीं जाओगे. No. We have a very simple relationship कि भाई आप करो, no problem, and this is what I want to do. And he's very happy when I told him that, listen, I want to just step out of Bombay for a little while with the kids, and because they are also in the house, the dogs, they need to go out and feel nice.
Correct.
He's like, yeah, please
Correct.
go have fun. I'm here, I'll look after everything. So that's the kind of
Great.
it's a very mature relationship. It's very mature.
So as you are now connecting to the nature also, and it is the fact कि जब आप ज़्यादा nature के बीच में तो कहीं ना कहीं there's a peace of mind also comes.
You find a
बहुत सारी
balance.
चीजें.
You find
Yeah,
a
you find a
balance,
balance.
and you find that there is so much more to life than what we are trying to chase in the city all the time. And nature is free, yeah. It doesn't cost anything to hug a tree, and believe me, it
Correct.
gives you so much pleasure, to just see greenery around you and planting trees, doing some gardening, playing with the dogs. feeding the birds, feeding the fish. This is all free. And this is something that I realized in the past 1 year in this whole COVID situation. और मुझे अभी बहुत अच्छा लगता है, just to simplify my living a little bit more.
And that's the best thing. So what do you want to say to the audience? Because in जो situation है हमारे आसपास, you are in the nature right now, you are at the safest place. But there are so many cases where जो second wave आई है, वो तो बहुत ही खतरनाक है. Like it is, I'm sure आपको भी काफी सारे पता लगता होगा कि इसको हो गया.
Oh yes. In fact, in my family, I've had a lot of people जो बीमार पड़े. In fact, we also lost some family members. And मैं बहुत ही, in fact, मेरे लिए तो last 1.5 years was very difficult because I also have parents with me. And when your parents are older, you are very worried. तो मैंने तो उनको, I send them away to Dubai because it's safer there. उनका vaccination करवा दिया मैंने. In fact, now 1st May onwards, vaccination is open for us all. So I must tell everybody out there that please register yourself, go get vaccinated. Because today I got the opportunity to step out. Maybe if I don't have that opportunity, the only way I can protect myself is by getting vaccinated, right? So
that is the most important thing.
Vaccination is very, very important. In fact, I'm coming back to Bombay on the 1st of May, especially to get vaccinated. I want to get vaccinated. Okay. So I will be back home in the next few days. I'm going to register myself, get vaccinated. It's very important. It's the need of the hour. We've tried being at home, social distancing. We've tried everything. But I think the only way we can beat this virus is when we are all vaccinated.
What message you want to give to the audience lastly? Because आजकल मतलब जब कोई पॉजिटिव होता है तो उसे ऑब्वियसली क्वारंटाइन होना पड़ता है, उसको आइसोलेट करना पड़ता है. एंड दैट पर्सन गॉट लिटिल डिस्टर्ब्ड आल्सो कि यार अकेला छोड़ दिया है.
I just shared something on Instagram, I think yesterday or day before, कि अगर आपके आसपास या आपके घर में कोई ऐसा है जो बीमार है, so try and make the
शिफाली आप थोड़ा सा पॉज हो गए. Is the network okay? Is the network okay over there? Something wrong with the network, I guess. मुझे शिफाली पॉज नजर आ रही है. आप लोग को आवाज आ रही है हम लोग की? Can you hear us? Please comment and let me know. Hello. Okay, let me try to connect Shefali.
Yeah.
I think कुछ network का issue हुआ था, right? You were saying something that if किसी को हो जाता है तो.
Yeah, so अगर किसी को हो जाता है तो ये उनका fault नहीं है. Rather than blaming them कि तुमने हाथ नहीं धोया होगा, मास्क नहीं लगाया होगा, try and be supportive to them. उनका mental health ठीक रहना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. Because कोरोना में mental issues होते हैं. लाइक हाइपरटेंशन हो जाता है, आप डिप्रेशन में चले जा सकते हैं. तो एटलीस्ट घर वाले, अपने दोस्त हैं जो कोशिश कर सकते हैं कि घर का माहौल लाइट रखें, क्योंकि वैसे स्ट्रेस बहुत है. Try and make the person laugh, make the person feel good, feel comfortable, however you can. I think that is what we should all try and do, rather than, because I've seen, मेरे फैमिली में भी when somebody got corona, अरे इसने तो मास्क नहीं लगाया होगा, अरे इसने तो
हाँ, people started judging and just saying कि इसी की गलती है and all that.
Correct. Purposely बीमार पड़ना नहीं चाहेगा. ये हो जाता है. बहुत ऐसे लोग हैं जो अपने घर से बिल्कुल बाहर नहीं निकले और फिर भी उनको
कोविड हुआ है. राइट, भी हुआ है.
तो अगर जो हो गया है वो हो गया है, बट गिव देम द सपोर्ट. इज वेरी, उनका स्टेट ऑफ माइंड अच्छा रहे, क्योंकि आप पॉजिटिव रहते हो ना, यू कैन बीट इट, यू कैन बीट योर बीमारी. So I just think,
no doubt in that.
Try and be happy, guys. Whatever brings you happiness. See, like I'm in the nature right now. It brings me happiness. So it's a very stressful time for everybody. There is, some people are more privileged than the others. Some people can travel. Some people can't travel. But you can always find your happiness wherever that you are. Even when you're at home, pursue your hobbies.
It's very important to be happy from inside, right?
Yes. Be connected with your friends and family. ये एक वक्त,
Great.
बुरा वक्त है जो गुजर जाए. We have to be patient and you have to let this time pass and we have to be positive, very very positive right now. That is the key of the
No doubt. Great. So it's pleasure talking to you. हमारी बातें बहुत लंबी हो गई है. I enjoyed talking to you, Shefali, and
I
you are
love
beautiful as
talking to
always
you.
and good.
Thank you so much, and thank you all for joining us in this live. And we'll keep doing this.
Yes, we will connect soon. So you take care of yourself, your pets also, and have a great nature day to you.
Thank you. You be safe and all the best.
Yes. Thank you, Shefali. Bye. Take care. Bye. 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 अरे रुको. जाने के पहले one thing. You have to sing 2 lines of Kaata Laga. You have to.
Dude, I'm such a bad singer. Okay. Kaata
Okay, yeah.
Laga. My God, everybody's gonna look at me around here. बंगले के पीछे मेरी बेरी. This is literally that right now. बंगले के पीछे मेरी बेरी के नीचे हरे रे पिया रे हरे पिया काटा लगा.
तो नेचर में अपने आप को काटा मत लगवाना और अपना ध्यान रखना.
Yes.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye guys. Have fun. Be safe. Stay safe. God bless you all.
Great.
Bye.
So guys, it was शेफाली जारीवाला जो हमारे साथ लाइव आई सास बहू और बेटिया पे, और उन्होंने शेयर की कि वो किस तरह से अपना वक्त इन दिनों लॉकडाउन में बिता रही है नेचर के बीच. सो आप भी अपना ख्याल रखिए, अपना ध्यान रखिए और खुद को हैप्पी फील कराते रहिए. और सास बहू बेटा तो वही आपको एंटरटेन करने के लिए. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड. मी श्रुति पर जाते हैं साइनिंग ऑफ, और अब आपसे मुलाकात होगी रात को 9 बजे जिसमें हम वन ऑन वन कॉन्वर्सेशन करेंगे.